This is my house. It's not big, and it's not small, but I like it. 3 people live here. This is Matt.
Hi, I'm Matt.
This is David.
Hello, my name's David.
And that's me.
Hi, Helen. Pleased to meet you.
So there are 3 people, but there are 4 bedrooms. So today is interview day.
What's your job?
I'm a jazz musician.
Really? What do you play?
The drums.
But he's very quiet. And friendly. No dogs.
Sorry. £150 a month. Great.
No.
£150 a week. Sorry. Where are you from?
Edinburgh, but my job's in Oxford.
Good.
This is a nice house.
Thanks. We're happy here. Okay. Okay, and...
Cigarette?
I don't smoke. We don't smoke. Do we?
No.
We don't smoke.
Oh.
Sorry. This is terrible.
Who's next?
Her name's Jane. She's number 8. She's the last. So, Jane, tell us about yourself.
Tell you what?
Anything?
I'm from Brighton. I'm a drama teacher. I don't smoke. I like films. Good food.
Good food.
Yeah. Italian, French, Chinese.
Do you cook?
Yes, I'm a very good cook.
Do you have a dog?
No.
Cat?
No.
No animals.
Do you play the drums?
No.
The trombone? Violin? Saxophone?
Nothing.
That's great. Jane, it's your room.
Fantastic.
When can you move in?
Next week?
This week?
Tomorrow?
Sure.
Welcome to 53 Blackwood Road.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So now, there are 4 of us. There are 4 people in the house now, and I'm very happy. And Jane? Well, we all like her.
Morning, everybody.
What's this?
It's a video film. About my new house and my new housemates. It's for my sister Alison.
Oh, right.
Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Ali. This is the kitchen. And who is this? Well, say something.
See what? It's 7:30 in the morning.
Talk to my sister. Introduce yourself.
Go on, David.
Hello, I'm David. I come from Manchester. I'm a lawyer. I work in Oxford. That's it.
What things do you like?
I like my job. I like football, swimming. I like a quiet breakfast, and I don't like video cameras. And I start work at 8 o'clock, so bye.
Bye. David's nice, really. Ready?
Just a minute. Ready. Hello, my name's Helen. I come from London, but I live in Oxford. What else?
What do you do?
I'm a marketing assistant for a publishing company. I work in Oxford, but I sometimes go to the London office. I usually go to work at 8 o'clock, and I get home at 6:30.
Is it a good job?
It's a very good job. I really like it. What else do I like? I also like good food, films. I go to the gym at the weekend. Oh, and I like travel. I love France and Spain. I speak a little French and Spanish.
What things don't you like?
Well, I don't like noise. Oh, and I don't like cigarettes.
Great.
You're welcome.
Where's Matt?
I think Matthew's still in bed.
Matt? Matt? It's Jane. Can I come in? Matt? Do you want to be in a film for my sister? Just say something. Where are you from? Matt, where are you from?
Birmingham.
He's from Birmingham. What about your job?
Shop manager.
He's a shop manager. He works in a computer games store. He likes computer games. Matt? Do you like computer games? And he likes rock music. And he loves his bed. Matt, what time do you usually get up?
7:30.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's Wednesday. I start work at 1 o'clock on Wednesdays.
Matt. It's Tuesday.
A perfect start to a perfect day for Matthew. My room. It's big. It's comfortable. But I don't know. The walls. This chair. Everything.
Move the bed.
Where?
How about under the window?
Put the hi-fi on the chest of drawers.
Put the chair in the corner.
I don't know.
Why don't you paint it?
Paint what?
Paint the room.
I don't know. I'm not very practical. I don't like painting. I'm always too busy. I don't really have time today. I have a lunch appointment at 1 o'clock. It's impossible.
Can we do it for you?
Really?
Yes. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Of course we're sure.
What about the colour?
Oh, I don't know. Something nice.
Now don't worry. You go out, enjoy your lunch, and leave it with us.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go and buy some paint. Matt, do you want to come?
Yeah.
Do you want to get dressed?
Oh, right.
There is a DIY store here.
Where?
Not on this road.
Ask someone.
Hang on, excuse me. Is there a DIY store near here?
Yes, go straight on, turn left at the roundabout, go down the road, and it's on the right next to the supermarket.
Thank you.
How about this?
Black. There are some really nice colours here. Oh, look. This is lovely.
How much is it?
£16.49.
Gosh, that's expensive.
Hey, Matt! This is the same colour as your T-shirt. It's gorgeous. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
How much is it?
£11.99? How many do we want?
2. That's £23.98. £24. It's okay.
Now, are there any rollers?
There is some over there.
What do you think?
It looks great.
I love it.
It looks interesting. But good. I like it.
Finished?
Yep. Thanks. I really like this colour.
Me too.
The room looks great. Here she is.
Hello? Hi, Helen. We're up here.
I go in?
Yep.
Welcome to your new bedroom.
Oh, Matt, your T-shirt.
What?
The colour. It's horrible. Oh!
Next time, Helen, don't ask for help. Do it yourself. This is how it started. Another exciting evening at 53 Blackwood Road.
Hi, Julia. How are you? Yeah, sure.
When's your birthday?
The 4th of August.
That's Leo. You're a lion.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
What about you?
My birthday's the 16th of March. I'm a Pisces.
The fish? Ow. So what's the horoscope sign for this month?
May. The first part is Taurus.
The bull. So Jane's a bull.
Is Jane's birthday this month? When?
The 13th.
The 13th of May. It's the 11th of May today. That's in 2 days. Are you sure?
That's what she said.
Did you hear?
No?
It's Jane's birthday on Saturday. Why don't we have a party?
In 2 days?
Yeah.
A surprise party.
Good idea.
Right. How many people?
Just the 4 of us. Meal, the cake, something to drink, presents.
Okay. Let's make a shopping list.
Got it.
Let's see it.
That looks great. Where did you get it? Ow.
I bought it at Pascal's, you know, next to the bank.
How much was it?
It was £15.
Did you get the candles? You didn't get the candles.
I did.
Thank you.
When does Jane get home?
Usually at 6:30, after her game of tennis. In about 20 minutes.
Oh no!
She's early.
David, help me with this cake.
Matt, don't let her come into the kitchen.
How?
Talk to her. 2 minutes.
What do you want me to talk about?
Anything.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Matt.
It let me.
Thanks.
Did you have a nice day?
Yes.
What did you do?
I went shopping.
What did you buy?
I bought a T-shirt and some shoes and I bought some food. Matt, are you okay?
What else did you do?
I played tennis
Where?
at the sports centre.
I had a good day.
Did you?
I got up at about 11 o'clock. And then I had breakfast. I had cornflakes and I had toast and coffee. And orange juice. And then I watched television. And then...
Matt, please move. Now.
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
It's not your birthday.
Matthew!
But you said it was the 13th of May.
The 30th of May, Matt. Not the 13th.
Then what do we do with all this food and drink?
We can still have a party.
Then what about the 30th?
We can have a party then too.
Sure.
Great! 2 parties!
But only one present, yeah?
David.
What?
Really?
So that was the surprise party. A real surprise
Welcome to the house.
for everyone.
Are you free this evening? For a meal, yeah. You are, that's fantastic.
It's David's new friend
In
on
a
the
great
phone.
restaurant.
I think he really likes her.
Brilliant.
It sounds very
Okay then.
exciting.
See you at 7:30. Bye.
David has a date.
When?
Tonight.
What's her name?
Julia.
Julia? When did you meet her?
2 weeks ago.
Do you mind?
What is it tonight then? Cinema? Theatre? Opera?
A burger?
A restaurant?
Which one?
Hong Kong house? It's Chinese? It's very good.
It's very cheap.
It's very good.
Well, I hope you and,
Julia.
Julia have a great time.
I'll come with you. Have a nice evening.
Bye then.
Bye.
This is it.
Oh, Chinese. I had a Chinese meal yesterday. Can we go somewhere else?
Where would you like to go?
I love Italian food. Is there an Italian restaurant near here?
I don't know.
Yes, there is. Marco's. It's about 5 minutes away.
Marco's? Oh, yes, but that's
What's the problem?
nothing.
Come on. It's really lovely here. Thanks, David.
Don't mention it. You know I can speak Italian. Just a little.
Can you? I can't speak any languages. Say something to him.
Good evening, sir. Madam.
Go on.
Buonasera. Potere abbiamo il menù, per favore?
Ah, molto bene, signore. Vuole vedere la lista dei vini?
Sorry, can you speak more slowly, please?
Would you like to see the wine list, sir?
Yes, please. Grazie. What would you like to start? The soup looks nice.
I think I'd like the truffles.
Okay, the truffles, and can I have the soup, please?
Sir. Truffles and the soup. And for the main course?
I'd like the lobster.
And I'd like the roast chicken.
To drink?
How about a bottle of champagne?
sir? The champagne?
Yes. A bottle of champagne. It's hard work, but I like my job. It's very interesting. And I like playing sports at the weekends. Football, tennis. And I like reading, books, magazines.
Really?
This is delicious.
Can we have the bill, please?
Certainly, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
What time's your train?
10:30.
10:30? It's 10:30 now.
Oh dear. Can you ring for a taxi?
A taxi?
Thanks for a wonderful evening.
Don't mention it.
Good night.
Night. How much is it so far?
£19.50, sir.
But I only have £20. Do you take credit cards? Visa? American Express?
No.
A check?
Sorry, I only take cash, sir. Thank you very much indeed, sir. Good night.
So that was David's date with Julia. He got home in time for breakfast. We're all cleaning the house today. We don't clean it every Saturday, but today is different. Jane's sister is coming to visit.
What does your sister do?
She's a student.
What's she studying?
Film studies.
Gosh, that sounds interesting. There. Finished.
Actually, there's,
Oh. What time is she arriving?
2:30. I'm going to my yoga class and then I'm meeting her at the station.
Hello? Can you turn that off?
What?
Can you turn that off?
Hang on a minute. What did you say?
Never mind. Hello?
Hello, can I speak to Jane, please?
Certainly. Who's calling?
It's Alison, her sister.
Just a moment. Jane? It's your sister.
Why is she calling now? It's only 12 o'clock. Hello? Ali? Where are you?
Hi, Jane, I'm at the station.
But you're 2.5 hours early.
I know, I got the first train.
Ali, I can't meet you. I have a yoga class at 12:30.
That's okay, I can come to your house by bus.
No, it's too difficult. Hold on. Can anybody meet my sister? My yoga class starts in 20 minutes.
I can.
I can.
I can.
Please. I hate cleaning.
Okay. Hello, Ali. Matt can meet you. There's a cafe near the station, the Rose Cafe. Why don't you wait there?
Okay.
Can you meet Ali at the Rose Cafe?
Sure. What does she look like?
Hold on, Ali. She's quite tall and she has long, dark brown hair.
What's she wearing?
Hello, Ali. What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a cream coat and a black sweater.
She's wearing a cream coat and a black sweater. Sorry? Hold on. How long?
About 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes. And listen, any problems, call me on my mobile.
Okay. See you later. Bye.
Sorry. Hello?
Jane, it's Alison.
Where is he? Isn't he there?
What does he look like?
He has dark hair and a beard.
Oh, hang on, is he wearing a black leather jacket and black jeans? It's okay, he's here. See you later. Bye.
Bye. Sorry.
Just go away. Sorry. I think there's some mistake. Matt, I'm Alison. Nice to meet you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Hi. I thought...
It's okay. Let's go. Sorry about that.
Sorry I was late. I got a flat tyre.
No problem.
The car's just around the corner. What's the matter?
Why are you carrying that bag?
It's your bag, isn't it?
No.
Then who?
He's wearing black jeans and a black leather jacket. Yes. And he's carrying my bag.
We met Alison that afternoon.
Oh, I love us. How are you?
Sorry, that evening. After Matt's conversation with the police.